I have noticed a very strange behavior among the rich folk. I've been delivering since 2014, and I have never seen the rich folk prepping like they've been doing the last like 2 months. They have buying, a lot of them have been buying dry foods, buying generators. A lot of them have been trying getting like dry foods, rice, like beans, like all this stuff I've been delivering. And when I delivered, they're like, "Oh, put in a garage." One of this other guy, he has his whole entire garage built out, and when I asked him why is he doing it, he's just like, my gut feeling. So I don't know what they're being prepped for. Why are they buying so many of the emergencies, like, but they're buying a lot. They're prepping, and I deliver to like people who are earning million plus. Some of these houses are like $2-3 million, and they're prepping for something, not to leave or go anywhere, just like to stay in. They're prepping. That's highly suspicious. What do you guys think?